Having trouble receiving your WhatsApp verification code on your iPhone? It could be due to a network issue or something else. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem of WhatsApp code not arriving on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Before moving on, make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Try airplane mode on and off. Solution 1. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If it still doesn't work, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Reinstall WhatsApp app. Press and hold the app from the home screen, then tap Remove app. After that, tap Delete app. Now go to App Store. Tap on Search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger. Now install the app again. Check your issue whether it's solved. Solution 3. Check iOS update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see software updates available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope the solutions helped. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.